Yo, is that better? There we go. Okay. Is that better, guys? Can you hear me now? Thank you for letting me can you hear me now, guys? I must have been muted. Let me know. Okay, you can hear me now? Okay, perfect. All right. Well, I guess I'll have to just say what I just said. So basically, guys, I'm going to be going over okay, I'm gonna be going over what happened today with the Wall Street bets. We're gonna be going over that, and I talked about while I was muted that I'm gonna make a detailed video about GameStop and all of that. Probably tonight. It's probably gonna come out, so stay tuned for that. But I normally do the membership live stream during this time, so I'm making this public for all of you guys on YouTube just because it was crazy today. But if you're interested in joining the membership program, link in the description below. Join my free Discord, and then you can join the membership. Either DM me or click the tab. But I'm gonna go over their call outs and all of that. But we're gonna go over GameStop. We're gonna go over all of the hype stocks today for sure. We'll go over those first. So GameStop. What in the world? Like we just so much was going on with GameStop, and I'm honestly just gonna have to put a video about this. But the main thing is that it got halted. It got brokerages were down. They stopped options on it. I mean, across the whole board, people were it was going crazy. Honestly, this morning TD Ameritrade was just lagging for me because there were so many people pouring into GameStop. We Elon Musk was on this. Like there were so many things and that were factoring in this. So GameStop basically, be careful, guys. I will say this. It hit the media. You got the big guys' attention, right? And trust me, the house always wins. GameStop's time is coming. This thing is when it's already, look how much it's down already in after hours. So I'm telling you right now, y'all got the big boys' attention, right? So this thing, don't worry, either it's going up again or this thing is coming crashing down. I just want y'all to be careful. Just to let y'all know though, they're aware, they're in this now, or they're watching it. So it's time to either tighten up your stop losses or get out of it because don't worry, guys. They always win. They're about to flex on you guys, and they're about to show you really how much money they have. But GameStop though, amazing ride. I mean, if you were able to pull up on this and if you were able to enjoy it, congratulations. If you made money, congratulations. I'm really happy for all of you guys that made money. AMC, same scenario. We dipped in after hours, so we had another amazing round on AMC up to $25. AMC is gonna get the same treatment. This one tried to get pumped today in after hours. You see this one's huge down as well. So I'd be very, very careful with these stocks. But if you're making money off of it, great. I love to hear that. I love to see y'all making money. But just know some things are. Look, same with BlackBerry. BlackBerry's down. What's the other one? Nokia? Was that the one? Is it? Wait, what is it? No, what was that one? It's not Nokia, right? It's not this one. What was it? What was the symbol, Dario? Noke. Oh, it's just Noke. Okay. Same scenario with this. Mary, you said, or Sky, you said, what do you think they would do to it? They're bringing it down. They will bring this down. So, let me see. So, guys, let me explain something real quick with GameStop. So, a lot of you, or a lot of people think that Wall Street Bets was, they caused this huge move up. In fact, yes, I explained this to the people in Discord. I said yes, they were the domino. They were the first person to push over that first domino. But what caused this is y'all probably heard this term, something called a short squeeze. Y'all probably heard this term been thrown out everywhere, and there's a lot of people who don't actually know what that is. It's so when you short a stock, you borrow shares. You borrow shares from your brokerage. And then when the stock goes up, you lose money, right? Because you shorted it at a higher price, so you're hoping it goes down so you can buy it back at a lower price. So that's the whole premise of a short. But when it goes up, then you lose money. So in order to to sell out. So normally when you're in a stock, you buy a stock, you sell it to get out of it, right? Well, in order to get out of a short position, you have to buy it back. So when these banks or whoever was in these stocks shorting it, they had to buy those shares back. And what does that mean? That's buy side activity. It's just like buying a stock. When you buy a stock, when there's more buyers and sellers, it goes up. So these banks, they had to buy all those shares back that they shorted, and that caused this huge, massive uptrend. So a lot of people thought it was just all Wall Street bets. Yes, they started it. They were the people who hit that domino over. But the main majority of this came from those big banks having to cover their shorts. So yes, Wall Street bets, they started it, but I was just explaining this. That's what a short squeeze is. A lot of people, they don't know what a short squeeze is. They just heard that term thrown out. So guys, that's what a short squeeze is. I hope that helped clear the air up with that. So hopefully that cleared the air with the confusion. But already on the overall market, we're already starting to recover, which is good. SPY, we're starting to recover. We bounced out some of my zones. So overall, I think today was the big dip buy on tech. So hopefully it was. I mean, I really suffered today. I lost because I'm in tech positions. So I really suffered a little today, but I bought the dip. So I added on. Adrian, no, this is the membership stream, so I'm gonna be doing their call out. So the stocks they called out right here. I gotta go. I'm on a really strict time limit, so I gotta go at it's 9 o'clock here, so I gotta go at like 9:35, 9:40. So I'm gonna get through their stocks. I was just going over in the beginning right now for all of the YouTube people, just so I could explain what happened with GameStop, what happened with AMC, and just to warn you guys. That y'all got the attention, or Wall Street Bets got the attention of the big guys. They halted it. They delayed their options. They cut off options. So just know that the attention of the big guys, they're watching. So trust me, they have a lot more capital than you think. They have a lot more capital than all the retail traders combined. So when they move stocks, they move it. So be careful. I mean, I'm not saying that move is coming, tomorrow, but just be careful, guys. The house always wins, and they're watching, guys. So just be careful, and that's what I advise you playing these stocks. But who knows what's in store for tomorrow? We may get another humongous pump. It may happen, but just saying, guys, just warning you guys, be careful. Still have your stop losses in play. If you ride that wave, then just keep moving those stop losses up and play it smart. Either way, though, let's get right into the members' call-outs, and they actually called out a bunch of the Wall Street Bet stocks. All right, let's see. Macy's. By the way, guys, for all those tuning in right now, see, we got quite a few people here. So this is normally the membership live stream. I just went live on YouTube just so we could talk a little bit to the YouTube people. So I'm going through their stocks. So they call out these stocks. I'm gonna go down the line. I already did all of these big ones. I talked about this one, and I'm gonna try and post a video about these Wall Street Bet stocks, specifically GameStop. So stay on tune for that. But I'm gonna go down their stocks, and I'm gonna break down their stocks because it is their live stream, guys. So, normally, I would break down your guys' stock, but if it's up here, then yes, I'll break it down for you. And yeah, I can do Neo the usual, and I should be coming out with a Neo video later on today. I just got so busy today, guys, that I really didn't have time to record. Today was a very, very busy day to me, especially with the market. But I'm gonna record some videos tonight for you guys for sure, and they'll be posted. But let's get right into these members callouts. So Macy's is another one that I'm not sure if it got a hold of too by Wall Street Bets, because this one pumped up today, pumped up all the way to 22.27, came back down. We're still hovering above 15.76, but this one's been on a massive run up too. So I don't know what's happening with this one, but either way though, this one looks strong. Don't want it dipping below 15.76 though. I can't even really chart this one out for you because this one looks hype related too. But yeah, Let's see what's next. Bed Bath and Beyond. Let's get that one out. Bed Bath Beyond. Wow. What's up with this one as well? Does anyone have any news on this one? Is this another one of Wall Street Bets victims? This one's up 43% today. My goodness. So we have a support here at 45.10. We have a resistance here at $54. Getting above that is bullish, but this one, wow, humongous jump. This one also, technicals aside, this one isn't gonna be affected by technicals. I would say, you know, wait for a pullback, but this one's like GameStop and all of the other ones. I can't give you any technical analysis on this one. Like, okay, you are saying it is. What's in extended hours? Yeah, already down in extended hours. So yeah, it fell through there. So the advice I gave you all guys in the beginning of the stream is going to apply to all these Wall Street Bet stocks. Hold up, is Express another one? Express is another one, I'm guessing, right, guys? Express, same advice. I'm guessing this is another Wall Street Bets stock. So it's the same advice. I really can't chart out any technical levels for you guys. I would if I could, but all of these are going to be related to Wall Street Bets. Is SPCE1 related to? Did this one get victim? Did this one get? Is this another one as well? Is this one another one? This one actually has been doing pretty good on its own. Okay, so this may be something related. This may be something related not to Wall Street Bets. If that's the case, it came back down, tested support, and after hours it fell through. So 40.64, I like the dip buy on that one. This one has been on this actually pretty good run. So as long as we are able to hold this right here at 40.64, we should do fine on this one. Allie, I know some guys in the members group picked this one out as well. They actually took this trade. I think Dario and Sin, y'all took this trade today. As long as it stays above $36, this should be doing fine. So would not be worried at Allie at all. That was actually a great dip buy today. Resistance is at 38.53. Definitely needs to get above that. Overall though, this one was looking strong. This looks like a dip buy. I mean, look at this strong uptrend. This obviously just looks like a dip buy. They beat earnings, but they still sold off, and that happened a lot across the board. So I think some people are going to be calling out some tech stocks. BlackBerry, same scenario. Hold on. Let me get. Yep, BlackBerry down in after hours. Same scenario, guys. All these Wall Street Bet stocks. I talked about it in the beginning of the stream. So if you're just tuning in, rewind it and then look at that. So that's my advice on that. BlackBerry, same advice, guys. Tesla. Oops. Tesla. Who's playing Tesla tomorrow? This had earnings today. They missed earnings, and they sold off. Is anyone playing Tesla tomorrow? Guys, real quick, for all of you tuning in, if you have not joined my free Discord, link in the description below of this live stream, go ahead and join that, and then you can talk to me in there. We were super active during chat today. Tesla sold off, but it came back above, held our little box right here at 815. So as long as we can hold 815 tomorrow, I would not be worried whatsoever on Tesla. So Tesla still holding in this horizontal pattern. As long as it holds above 815, it should do fine. So hopefully Tesla can still find buyers right here, and then we can start heading up. Sync. Did I read this wrong? Okay, I don't think that's right. Play. Play. Ooh, my goodness. This one pushed all the way up today, hit a massive amount of sellers, came back down, and was unable to hold above support here at $34. Looks like it's heading back down to $32.81 on this side. So I'd buy the dip here at $32.81, but this one has been doing completely good. I like what it's been doing. It's pushing up. Now it's kind of basing out, but this could be seen as a double top. So any of y'all candle or pattern people out there that like to play these, that could have been a double top right there, which would insinuate more downward momentum. But as long as it holds 32.81, that will be fine. Overall though, this Dave and Buster's look completely fine. JC, I did those in the beginning. Amazon as well sold off today. What did it do in extended hours? Sold off some more. Overall, if tech is green tomorrow, then I would hope Amazon gets back above this. So the level I'm looking at for Amazon is 3,247. Getting above that is bullish, so hopefully Amazon can turn around tomorrow. But it had quite the day. The whole market had quite the day today. Naked. I'm guessing this is another one. Naked. It came. So Naked, what happened today? Now, I would like to mention that with all these stocks, like the Wall Street Bet stocks and all these hype stocks, technical analysis just goes out the roof. So yes, it held its support today, so it gapped down, held my support, and just shot up. But that doesn't really mean too much because this was just hype related as well. So let's see what it did in extended hours. Up more in extended hours. Oh my goodness, it hit 345 at one time. Wow. So my advice is the same thing. What I gave in the beginning of the stream, same thing applies to this one. Apple, oh my goodness, who's watching Apple? Apple beat earnings, but they sold off. Wow. See, that's guys what I've said so many times before. Playing earnings is always a 50-50 gamble. Apple beat it. They beat earnings. They beat it by what? 18%, and they still sold off. That goes to show you that earnings is always a 50-50 gamble, guys. So you always got to be careful with that. So earnings is always a gamble. A stock can sell off and still, or stock can beat earnings and still sell off. We saw that with a lot of stocks. Overall though, not too worried at Apple. Big picture, I mean, what's this look like right here, guys? What's this look like? Is this something that is alarming? Is this something that you need to be worried about? No. Look at the bigger picture. This is just a pullback. I mean, a stock can't do a normal stock can't pull a GameStop and just, shoot up. Look at this uptrend. This is a strong, steady uptrend. Would not be worried. And in fact, if this was the dip buy, then this was just an amazing buying opportunity. So I would not be worried whatsoever with that. AMD, same scenario. I'm actually in AMD, guys. They beat earnings. They beat earnings by over 200%, and they still sold off. So another example of why the market can still sell off even if they beat earnings. We got rejected. I'm in Apple right now. Bought the dip today. I'm in it actually heavy. Just because it dipped so much today. So I'm looking for it to rebound tomorrow. But I don't want it breaking below $87. If it breaks below that, then it's coming back down to these zones right here. But overall, I love AMD. I love it. It's got upgraded by so many analysts. So I expect good things from this. And I think this was just the dip buy. You got to think from the perspective if you were a big bank. If you had a lot of money and you wanted cheaper shares, what would you do? Right? You would manipulate the stock down, cause other people to panic sell, cause other stop losses to get triggered, which brings the price down. So big banks like to initiate panic. They like to do that so they can buy the dip, right? We saw that this morning. I mean, the overall market still got a huge beating, but I think this was the dip buy personally. Banks like to do this. They like to manipulate price to bring it down so they can buy it cheaper. So you got to think from their perspective. So AMD, I'm liking this one. Definitely don't want it breaking below at $87 though, but AMD, I'm full on board for this one. Let's take a look at Facebook, another big one. Oh wait, it beat earnings, but it still sold off. I mean, Facebook really got down there today. We got a 253. We tried to push up to 280, so it was crazy. Earnings is super volatile. Getting above 268 though, staying above that is bullish. So tomorrow, am expecting a little bounce, and hopefully we are rocking and rolling on the overall market. I do think the market is green tomorrow. I think today was the dip buy. Let's see what Nvidia did. Nvidia came back down, touched my support, and bounced right back up. Magical yellow line came back down, found buyers. So tomorrow we need to get above $519. Need to get above that so we can start uptrending. But look, we've just been in this consolidation range bound for forever. So it came back down today, touched it, and found buyers. So that's the important thing. We found buyers right at my line, and then we came right back up. So Nvidia looks bullish as long as we don't break 511. So this has just been consolidating. This has been horizontal bound for a while now. Appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. Thank you. We got 57 of you guys in here. In case you didn't know, this is my membership live stream. Just going public on YouTube really quick for you guys. Just making this public today, just because today was crazy and wanted to see how my YouTube side of people were doing. But thank you for being here. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Also, join my free Discord server. Link in the description below. Free. If you want to join it and talk to me, DM me. So you'll be able to DM me if you have any questions. A lot of people have been asking about NEO. I'm going to come out with a NEO video today, but NEO after hours, it kind of got below support here, but I've talked about this before. After hours, I really don't pay attention to it unless it's a huge event like earnings. Obviously, I pay attention to it, but we held the support right here at $57 today during hours. So as long as we hold that tomorrow, then we should be fine. If we don't hold that area tomorrow, then I've talked about this before, then we're probably coming back down to 53.69. So if we don't hold that area tomorrow, then we're most likely coming back down to this area right here. So that's something to keep in mind with NEO. Just stay on the lookout for sure on that. LPCN, this one pushed up today, found sellers right here, unable to get above, but what happened? We still found support right here. Let's see if anything happened in extended hours. Nothing really. So as long as we hold this area right here, as long as we hold this area here at 190, we should do fine. So I know, Daniel, you're in this one heavy, so hopefully we hold 190. TNXP, let's see what this one did today. So we have strong support right here at 90 cents. We have strong resistance right here at basically $1. Getting above that is bullish. As long as we hold 90 cents, we should do fine. But we do have, if we fall below there, then I look to buy the dip right here at 82 cents. So that's how I structure this trade. Overall though, this one looks bullish. This is like a dip buy to me personally. AITX, this one right here pushed up, got rejected, and then we continue to sell off. So where would I want it to hold? Definitely don't want to get below this area right here. If it gets below that area, then it's most likely coming back down to, let's see, most likely coming back down to here. So it definitely needs to hold that area bullish above 17 cents. What must want to crash? CTRM. This one, amazing day, came back down, touched my magical purple line, came right back up, and then we were bullish for the rest of the day. So intraday support right here at 48 cents. Definitely needs to hold that. If not, then we have some resistance here at 55 cents. So this is how I structured this one. Overall though, this one looks good. Nano held 1440. As long as we hold that, we will do fine on that. Definitely need to get back up to the $16 area and start uptrend again. Overall though, Nano, who plays Nano here? Let me know in the chat. Do we got any YouTube people that are playing Nano? I love this stock. Have it for long-term growth. This is like a pullback in the long run. So it held this area, so this is like a healthy pullback. Let me know in chat though if y'all play Nano. And this is a big one too. Who plays Jivo? You play Nano? Awesome, man. Awesome. Appreciate everyone tuning in, guys. Thank you so much from the YouTube side. Thank you for being here. Appreciate all of your support. I notice a lot of y'all, especially, Sky, Mary, just a couple of names here. I noticed all your comments. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being on every single video. Mello too. Thank you for being here, Mello. Mello. Oops, let me go back to NNDM for you. I'm sorry I didn't make a video for that. I didn't have time to make one, Mello, but so Mello, the whole scenario with Nano, as long as it stays above 1440, well, actually kind of got above that in after hours, but that's fine. Don't care about after hours. So as long as it stay above 1440, it will be fine. It needs to head back up to $16. So Mello, I hope that answered your questions dealing with Nano. Like I said, sorry I wasn't able to make a video on it. Givo. So Sky, you have Givo. Awesome. So we need to hold support. We did today, but then we shot back up and found sellers. So we got below this intraday support here at 1218. So I'm looking for 1086 to hold. As long as 1086 holds, then we should do fine. Dario, I have not, my man. You're actually you put yours last on the list, so you I'll get to yours last, my man. Don't worry. Bingo. So this one, I know a lot of people play bingo as well. Intraday, I had a support right here. Definitely needs to get above 1133. Needs to stay above that. We have strong support here at 994. So hopefully we can hold that area tomorrow. But bingo, this is like a pullback overall. What's up? Hello from England. Thank you for all of the people from around the world as well. Thank you for the people that aren't watching from the U.S. Appreciate all of my international support as well. I know we got a couple people from Australia, England, UK. So thank you for being here, guys. So yeah, I know a couple people are playing bingo. I will get to Airbnb at the end. Right now this is the membership live stream, so I'm going down their list of stocks. So I'm doing their stocks first, just because it is their stream. I stream with them every single night before market opens, so 5 times a week. So I do their stocks first, and then I'll get to you guys for sure. I will get to Airbnb. VYNE. So this one pushed up today, or it pushed up in after hours. So intraday, don't want to get below 226. If it gets below 226, most likely head back down to 191, but it needs to start pushing back up to 250. So hopefully we can get back up to 250 for sure. Overall though, this one definitely needs to start turning around. Nikola. So Nikola, let's see what happened here. Nikola, amazing day today, pushed up. I don't like the company, but technical side, we had the breakout. We talked about this on last night's stream with the members. Looked like this one was going to break out again, and it did. We have a resistance now right here, right at, let's see, 29.23. So getting above that is bullish, but coming back down for a pullback at 26.14 would not bother me at all. INO, this one didn't do anything extended hours. It actually pushed up. This one was hype related as well, looks like today. So 1044 was support. We have resistance here at 1256. Let's see, let's go down to the 1 hour for this one. This one's kind of tricky. Okay, intraday, wouldn't want to get below this level right here. So 1195 needs to stay above that one. Rad, ooh, this one actually a good breakout today. So we kind of had this bull flag type play right here. We have a resistance right here at 2618. We broke out of that today. Let's see if anything happened in extended hours. No, it did not. But overall, this one looks strong. Well, I mean, the momentum's here. This is up 19%. So looking for some continuation on this one for sure tomorrow. Yelp, this one's actually starting to base out now. So I've talked about this with the membership group. I've said, a stock does one or two things after a huge push up like this. Either consolidates or we have the dip. So they do those two things to cool off. Right now we're doing the consolidation. So if you're obviously long in this one, you rather prefer the consolidation just because you don't like losing money, right? So this one may be gearing up for another move up. So I'd watch out for the breakup of that one. But if it breaks below 35.57, then obviously that pattern, that consolidation is no longer in play. So let's go with Oxy. Oxy, this one had to sell off today. It got below 2083, so I looked to buy the dip on Oxy at 1959 for sure. VIX. What do y'all know about the VIX? So the VIX is the volatility index. So typically when this goes up, the market goes down. And what happened today? It was up and the market went down. So this is a gauge that we use to see the volatility of the market. So it has a correlation, inverse correlation with the market. So obviously when this goes up, market goes down, and that's what happened today. The VIX was up, market was down. So I'm not really going to chart this one out because you obviously want this to be down. If you go back to March, that's when it was at its highest because of the coronavirus crash. Let's go to the daily frame. Yeah, so look how high it was during the coronavirus crash. This was based off of fear. That's why we saw a huge dip in the market. But yeah, it kind of got up there today, but nothing on the level that it did back in March. So not too alarmed. That's why I was like, hey, I think today's the dip buy. But definitely you want to see this come back down if you want the overall market to push back up. So that's just something to gauge. If this is up, then the overall market's most likely down. So that's what the VIX is if everyone watching did not know what that was. Walmart. This is actually Walmart. Wow. Walmart, a lot of retail got blowed out today. So did Target. But fell below support. I'd buy the dip at Walmart 140, 151. This one's looking strong still, though. It's Walmart. I mean, it's been on this massive tear. Keep in mind, earnings is coming up next month. But overall, I'd look to buy the dip here at 140, 151. Plug. I have not reviewed TTOO yet. I'm doing the members callouts first, then I'll do a couple of you guys that are watching from the YouTube side for sure. I got you guys. Plug. Wow. We knew this was happening with Plug. They announced a share offering. Came down today. Stay below resistance right here. So tomorrow, definitely want it to hold 61.65. As long as Plug holds 61.65, we should be fine on that one. But overall, like what Plug does, so wouldn't be too worried about that. Wolf, still in this consolidation range. Tried to get back above it today. Was unable to get back above it. Came right back down, and we're still trading horizontal. So until we break out above, not a whole lot of action. So 27.93 is that magic number to get above. So that's something you need to watch out for Petco. I know they just what's it called? IPO'd. Carnival, gap down. What did it hold? It held my area. Pushed back up. Now we're still in this range. Getting above $20 is bullish. So we definitely need to get above that. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Thank you guys for being here. So I just got done with their callouts. So in case y'all didn't know, this was the membership stream. So I do this every night for them. So if you want to join that, join my free Discord, and then you can find the tab how to join or just DM me. But so this is the membership. They get their own private chat. They get the live streams like this, and they get their call outs. So if you want to be interested in that, just join the free Discord, and then just hit me up, and let's get going with some of your stocks just for a couple of minutes. I have a couple minutes to go. Palantir, this one broke out. This one's been going crazy. Got up to $45 today. Palantir, I played Palantir all the way back here, but didn't get in on this huge hype. Support right here at 39.44. Don't want to get below that. Overall, the hype is there. So hopefully Palantir sticks. I saw Baba and Xpeng, so we'll do that. Baba got rejected today. We're still in this little horizontal range. So as long as it holds this support, we should be doing fine. Dario, do you mean what's a horizontal option? Are you talking about, I don't know what you're talking about, Dario. What's up, Parker? And I saw Xpeng as well. Parker, are you just tuning in? If you are, I'll do Tesla for you. Xpeng got below the support, so it's most likely coming back down to $48, but it definitely needs to hold $48. So 48 definitely needs to hold. Someone said Sundial. Sundial, same scenario. It held 60 cents. So as long as it holds that, then it should be fine. Dustin, are you talking about iron condors? Oh, you did say that. Okay. Iron. Okay, yeah. I don't do a whole lot of those strategies. I do naked options and debit spreads. I do debit spreads. So I don't really, I can reach out with those strategies, but I just stick to debit spreads and naked options. But yes, if a stock is going horizontal, then iron condors do work for that. This one actually has been selling off since last time broke it down. So we have a strong support here right at where we're actually at. So definitely don't need to get below that. We have a resistance needs to get above 105.57. So getting above that is bullish again, but definitely needs to stay above that. Dario, I'll explain it in the membership chat once we get done with live stream for you. Let's look at what else? Did anything? Microsoft. Microsoft was a big one today as well. Microsoft, what happened? They beat earnings, and this was the only one that actually like shot up. This is the only one that shot up today, really, because they beat earnings. Then it sold off because the market was, my goodness, the market was all the way down here at one time. That was like 600 points down. So today really got crazy. But I showed this in the membership chat. I said, just zoom out and just look at the bigger picture. Does this dip really matter in the bigger picture? No, right? So I still wouldn't be alarmed. So I just think this is the dip buy, and I bought the dip today. So hopefully it does turn around tomorrow for sure. I know my lines look crazy, but I promise there is reason to each line. I promise. That's how I trade. Tell. I already did BB. Just scroll it back to the very beginning. Tell got below the support right here. We have another one right here at 281. So definitely need to hold on that one. If we break below that, then most likely it's coming back down to 238. Overall, though, this one just like a healthy pullback for sure. Oh, thank you for reminding me. Was Kodak Wall Street Bet stock as well today? This one, it held support. So let's see anything happening extended hours. Oh, it got below it. So it got below support in extended hours. So if it doesn't get back above, 222 tomorrow, then it's definitely coming back to 192. So I'll be looking out for that. Will, could you talk about gaps? I noticed a big gap on Nano. Apparently all gaps have to be filled. No, that's false. If someone is telling you that, do not believe what they are telling you. They don't know what they're talking about. Gaps are just things that traders like to point out. Big money are not looking at a gap and like, hey, look. Hold on. Let me go ahead. For this video, for this live stream, I'm gonna just explain something. We're gonna look at Amazon, and we're gonna look at how many. Oh, look, Amazon has a gap here at 19,000. It's gonna come crashing down to 19,000, right? We have another gap here, right at 15,000. Amazon's gonna come crashing down. Oh, look, another one right here at 1,000. Amazon's. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if someone's telling you that fill the gap fill and all that, don't listen to them. As you can see, you think Amazon's going to come down to 1,000 and fill that gap? No. So gaps are just things that are made up by retail traders who are trying to find reasons on why the stock is moving up or down, right? All a gap is where the price just opens up above where it closed at the following day. That's all that is. So don't get sucked into that. It's just retail people, or people who really, I guess, I don't want to say don't know what they're talking about, but it's just a whole retail thing. Big money's not looking at that, and as you can see by example, I use it with Amazon. So don't get stuck with the whole gap fill thing. Jumia, wow, it held support. Let's see, did it do anything extended hours? No, it didn't. So as long as it holds support here at 57.41, this should do fine. It's holding that good. So as long as it holds that, then we should be good. Thanks, Kelvin, for being here, my man. SPCE was up. Yeah, it was. Guys, thank you for being here. Appreciate everyone tuning in. I'm actually about to end the stream, so if you just started tuning in, make sure to replay it, watch it. Thank you all for being here. I'm gonna come out with a couple videos tonight, so stay tuned on that. It's gonna be about NIO. We're gonna be talking about Tesla. We're gonna talk about we're gonna talk about the whole Wall Street bets. I'm gonna produce a video out for all of that. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna cover all the Wall Street bets ones, GameStop, AMC. I'm gonna put it all in one video. So stay tuned for that. And I already did plug. And if you haven't, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to join my free Discord. You can connect with me after the stream. You can DM me if you need help or questions, or you can just join the chat. So guys, please join that so we can talk after the stream for sure. And thank you for being here, and appreciate all the support on the YouTube side, guys. And I will see you all later.